Hi everyone for releasing. This is the first release, all new 2025 Nissan Patrol in Cebu, straight to PRS for my personal touch. We just done the ceramic coating using the IGL. It include the headlight, the grille, we coated. Deep gloss shine. Even the stepboard, the plastic parts, we coated it to give it more black because the stock plastic part is very pale, so we coated it. Right now, this is on low position when parking. The new Nissan Patrol is Ursus already. As you can see, the taillight, very nice on the back. And you can use two option opening through the switch or your foot sensor. Now, let's check out the interior. For the tint we're using on this unit is the BF Film Ceramic Supreme Plus series. The 99% heat rejection. On the front, we're using the medium, while the side to the back, super dark. And for the moonroof, we're using the Clear Max. It's 99.2 heat rejection. You get the both heat resistance and very clear during at night if you want to open. See that the sunroof, the sound system is very perfect. Instrumental gauge. See? Welcome, driver. Got two monitor at the back. You can use for Android or Apple, MirrorLink or USB. And you can Bluetooth your headset. If you have kids on one side, other videos on this side, other videos. 3-zone. And good with this one on the aircon. In the middle, here, this side, this is a biometric sensor, the heat sensor. If there's people go inside, the aircon will adjust so that the last one who gets in will be cold, not hot. Very genius. And when you're using the 360 camera for the off-road, here, the screen can go from this one, connect to this one. Everything. Sports mode. These are the switch. Rock roller. Everything. Here the switch. The nice thing, this comes with auto hold. When you're driving, when you're in brake, no need to go to neutral. There's an auto hold. You can activate and deactivate. Okay. Let's go to the back. Power electric, the third row. And the nice thing with the Nissan Patrol, height adjuster. Goes up and goes down. Okay, for example, you're bringing heavy load outside and your car is in normal position. You want to carry the heavy loads up, you just put it down, the car goes down, and more easier to lift the things. And this is the subwoofer. The tools at the back. Okay. Close. Go to the other side. Let's go into the interior. Okay. Back. Here you go. Back. Close the door, please. Okay. Close the door. The center mirror, you can use manual or through the camera at the back. Right now it's black because the background is gray, so you see nothing at the back. And SOS button. Nissan has the Nissan Service Connect for 3 years. If there's something emergency happen, you just push the button. Nissan company will call you. Good job, Nissan. And if you go to off-road mode, you can see the angle in different here, different position, and you can adjust this to 1 into 360 cam. And you can choose the gauge, what design you want. This one, the button right now is we control this side on the gauge. If you want to adjust this one, you go to this side, this button, it's highlight. Aircon, camera, Apple CarPlay, everything. Cooler here, cooler with fan. Okay, wireless charger with Type-C connection, cup holder. Very nice, very sporty. Right now we're on standard mode. Then you can turn the AirSUS off or on. Here, the buttons. Okay. Heater for both sides. and cooler for the back. And also, this seat has lumbar. For the front two driver has lumbar adjuster. Okay. Let's close the sunroof. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Okay. For the stock wheels, this is the 20-inch. Need to upgrade into 22 or 24. Also, we already ceramic coated the rims. Okay. Shiny by PRS. Hope you like our services here. Feel free to message me. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!